Hello and welcome to week 4's homework and agenda. I'm going to be talking about number 3 right here. This is some learning on multimodal, multisensory instruction. So open up this PowerPoint, press pause on the video while you open it up. And when you open it up, it'll look like this. On the next slide, look at the objectives to know what multisensory instruction is and isn't, and some techniques that you can use in the classroom. So this one is a little bit different. There's no articles to read. Everything will be here in the PowerPoint. Notice again that the page numbers in your notebook are up here in the corner. What you're going to be doing is looking at these different modes of learning and creating a chart. Here are the directions up at the top, and it says to leave room for one more. We'll fill that in class. The rest of the slides are reading, this is 47, are reading and adding notes to pages 47, and then it turns into 48 around here. Okay, and there's a video to watch, things to learn about all of this. When you get to this picture, this is Maria Montessori. She's one of the first people that really came out with programs to use multisensory instruction. And then I want you to leave some room on the bottom of page 48. Just create a little chart like this and start thinking, how can we change something generic like, oh, we're going to do a social studies page. How can we make it multisensory? So create a chart, come up with some ideas. Okay, then when you finish, then there's the handout that I gave in class, and it's called, on page 46, you're going to glue it in, and they're called high leverage practices emphasized in this class. These are special education practices that are good for all students. I just glued these into my notebook on page 46. Here's an example of my notebook. What I want you to do is read through these and pick out key words that you want to remember about adapting curriculum and materials, explicit instruction, that will be our focus for this week, and flexible grouping. So highlight some important words or phrases. When you're all done, take photos, put them on a document and turn it into a PDF and submit right here. All right, I'll see you next week. Have a good weekend. Bye.